So Bakari and I took the kids to the Bahamas. We love going to the Cove at the Atlantis. It's one of our favorite spots. And so our kids really enjoy the kids center. They love swimming with the dolphins. And, during the day, we stay in the pool all day and we eat by the pool and we wake up late and just have slow mornings. It's just a really good time at the Cove. We had so much fun. During vacation time, during the day is their time. We really try to focus on being with them and being present and being at the beach and being by the pool with them. At night is mommy and daddy's time. Once we put them to bed, we try to go out for dinner or have some wine or go to a casino because we like to go to a casino together as well. My son is more of a homebody than any of us. Whenever we were talking about going to Miami and not coming home, he was like, what are we doing? He is like, let's stick to the plan. Why are we deviating from the plan? He is like a little man. I'm just learning that about him. He's not as spontaneous as the rest of the crew. Sadie was ready to party. Sadie was ready to go. She was like, look, I'm going to take advantage of all of this. So she was all in it. She was like, okay, come on, Stokely, stop being a party pooper. Let's go. Like she was totally ready to go.